Greetings, eco-conscious investors, and electric vehicle enthusiasts. Welcome to Stocks Telegraph. Today, we're shifting gears and zooming into the electrifying world of lithium, a key ingredient in the batteries that power our modern world. With the EV revolution gaining momentum, the demand for lithium is skyrocketing. This surge in demand has investors scrambling to find the top lithium stocks for the future. But with a multitude of companies vying for a piece of the lithium pie, where do you start? Well, buckle up, because we're putting Lithium Americas Argentina, commonly known as LAAC, in the spotlight. The transportation sector is undergoing a seismic shift. Gas-guzzling vehicles are slowly being relegated to the past, while electric vehicles are cruising into the future. But these powerful, eco-friendly vehicles rely on lithium-ion batteries to store energy. As EV adoption accelerates, the demand for lithium is expected to surge in the coming years. This is where Lithium Americas enters the picture. LAAC isn't just another player in the lithium game, they're a company with a strategic focus on developing high-quality lithium projects. This geographically focused approach presents several advantages, including the potential for shorter transportation distances and a reduced environmental footprint. But why should LAAC be on your radar? Today's episode will delve deeper into what makes Lithium Americas stand out. We'll explore their development projects, analyze their partnerships, and assess their potential to become a major supplier of lithium for the burgeoning EV industry. Is LAAC a hidden gem waiting to be unearthed, or is it just a speculative bet? Lithium Americas' current price of $3.89 might seem like a gamble at first glance. However, when you consider the analyst's mean target price of $8.66, it suggests a potential upside of over 122%. This positive outlook is tempered by the fact that LAAC's stock price experienced a decline of 22.20% last quarter. Investors are always wary of recent dips, so it's important to understand the underlying reasons behind this movement. While the recent price drop shouldn't be ignored, it's crucial to consider the broader market context. The lithium sector, along with many other growth sectors, has experienced some volatility recently. However, the long-term trend for lithium demand remains positive. So, this dip could be an opportunity for savvy investors to enter the market at a potentially lower entry point. Another interesting data point is LAAC's return on investment over the past year, clocking in at an impressive 125.86%. This historical growth is certainly noteworthy. However, future performance is always uncertain. The good news is that LAAC boasts a projected EPS growth of 28.17% this year and a staggering 317.98% growth projected for next year. If these projections hold true, LAAC could be on a trajectory for significant financial growth. Financial figures are a crucial piece of the puzzle, but they don't paint the whole picture. While Lithium Americas might not be the most expensive lithium stock out there, it has the potential to be one of the most impactful. Despite the current slowdown in the lithium market, LAAC is poised for strong momentum as demand picks up. With analysts predicting a reversal in the market later in 2024, this Argentinian-focused miner could be on the cusp of significant gains. The driving force behind LAAC's potential is the ever-increasing demand for lithium. This essential element in batteries and renewable energy solutions is expected to see its demand surge by over 30% annually through 2030. This exponential growth presents a golden opportunity for lithium producers like LAAC. In 2023, the lithium market, like many others, experienced a period of sluggish demand and oversupply, leading to a drop in spot prices. However, the tide seems to be turning. Demand is picking up, and some analysts predict a future undersupply scenario. This potential shift could propel spot prices higher, significantly benefiting LAAC. Adding fuel to the fire is the recent political shift in Argentina. The new president is actively encouraging interest in the country's lithium mining industry and working to streamline operational barriers. His recent discussions with Elon Musk highlight the strategic importance of lithium for EV production and Argentina's prime position as a major supplier. Here's the cherry on top. Lithium Americas is currently trading below its book value and boasts a lower price-to-forward earnings ratio than in previous years. This presents a potentially lucrative entry point for investors seeking to maximize their gains in the booming lithium market. With strong fundamentals, political tailwinds, and a strategic focus on a high-demand region, LAAC is a compelling contender for the top lithium stock for future growth. One interesting fact that shouldn't be missed is the recent surge in Wall Street's attention towards Lithium Americas, Argentina. Institutional ownership of LAAC stocks skyrocketed by over 1,700% in March. This dramatic increase suggests that institutional investors are recognizing the potential that LAAC holds. When big money starts paying attention, it's a sign that something significant might be brewing. It's important to clarify a common misconception. Lithium Americas Argentina is distinct from the other Lithium Americas Argentina corporation that holds the rights to the Thacker Pass mine in Nevada. LAAC is the result of a strategic division aimed at isolating Thacker Pass's immense potential. Here's another factor that sets LAAC apart: they're not a company waiting for the future. LAAC is already a producer of lithium. They churned out 4,500 tons of lithium in the fourth quarter of 2023 and are on track to produce a whopping 40,000 tons for the entire year of 2024. This existing production capability positions LAAC as a significant player in the current lithium market, not just a speculative future prospect. The lithium mining industry faces its own set of challenges. Environmental concerns surrounding the mining process need to be addressed responsibly. Geopolitical instability in Argentina is a potential risk factor to consider. Additionally, competition in the lithium space is heating up, so LAAC will need to maintain its operational efficiency and secure strategic partnerships to stay ahead of the curve. Here at Stocks Telegraph, we believe knowledge is the most valuable asset for any investor. Lithium Americas Argentina presents a compelling case for investors seeking to capitalize on the lithium revolution, with existing production, a strategic focus on South America, and the backing of institutional investors. However, remember, thorough due diligence is crucial. Consider your own risk tolerance, investment goals, and research alternative lithium stocks before making any decisions. The future of Lithium Americas, and the lithium market as a whole, is shrouded in a fascinating mix of potential and challenges. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on LAAC's existing production capabilities? Do you believe they can navigate the potential challenges in Argentina? Leave a comment below and share your insights. Thanks for joining us on Stocks Telegraph. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the hottest investment opportunities in the ever-evolving world of battery metals and the future of sustainable energy. Until next time, happy investing.